And how are you?
I'm very good. Namaskaram to you.
Namaskaram is
Namaskara.
namaskara to all the Bengaluru people.
Yes.
What is your connection with Bengaluru?
So Bangalore has become my second home,
Okay.
and now I'm planning to do a very big venture in Bangalore.
Okay. An actor.
Yes,
Okay.
yes. I became a runner. I used to be a continuity, op supervisor, and finally I started auditioning, and then I became an actor.
Who's your favorite old actor?
I was, as a performer, I was much bigger than I am as an actor. As a performer, I used to perform in London, in America,
Okay.
in France, Europe, Germany. Kannada is one language that I'm still to do.
Okay.
I'd love to work with some great artists, especially Rishabh Shetty. I met him at
Okay.
at IFA this year, and phenomenal. Yes, I've seen the film and I really enjoyed the film. I've seen his work.
Already acted and giving clue to the audience.
No,
that
I
there
won't
is a-
say any more than that, but there is a possibility that.
Oh. ಹಾಯ್ ಹಲೋ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಸ್ಪೀಕ್ ವಿತ್ ಸುಶಾಂತ್ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ ಸುಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಫಾರ್ ದ ವೆರಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ಆರ್ಟಿಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಾಯಿತು, ಹಿಂದಿ ಆರ್ಟಿಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಾಯಿತು, ಬಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ವೆರಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಲೂಸನ್ಬರ್ಗ್ ಇಂದ ಒಬ್ಬರು ಆರ್ಟಿಸ್ಟು, ಬಟ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಇಂಡಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಫಿಲ್ಮ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಶೈನ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಸೋಂಥ ಒಂದು ಸಿಚುವೇಶನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಬನ್ನಿ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. Hi Niharika, welcome to the show. Welcome to Speak with
Hi.
Sushant. How are you?
I'm very good. Namaskaram to you.
Namaskaram is not Kannada. Namaskara is Kannada.
Namaskara.
Namaskara to all the Bengaluru people.
Yes.
What is your connection with Bengaluru?
So Bangalore has become my second home,
Okay.
and now I'm planning to do a very big venture in Bangalore,
Okay.
which is very close to my heart.
Okay.
And most likely, I'm going to be spending at least six months per year in Bangalore.
Bangalore. Oh, that's amazing. That's wonderful. Okay. So you said Bangalore is your second home. What is your first home?
The world right now. I mean, I travel so much, but I have one place in Mumbai.
Okay.
So I guess from that point of view, I'm saying second. Otherwise, my original home is Luxembourg.
Okay, so you basically are from Luxembourg. So if I could know more about your early life, so your grandfather was O.P. Nair, right?
Yes.
So he was a great Bollywood legend singer, is what I went through.
He's a very big music director.
Music director, yeah.
He's
so
done some phenomenal films.
phenomenal work. So so you are basically from Luxembourg. So when did you shift? How was your initial journey? Early days.
So first, from Luxembourg, I went to study in London.
Okay.
Now, many films from
you
India.
were born in Luxembourg.
I was born and raised in Luxembourg. Went to school in Luxembourg.
Okay.
Then I went to London to study.
Okay.
And there, many Indian films are shot.
Okay.
So my first interaction, I won Miss India UK. So I was like known as an Indian person who was invited to many film sets and stuff.
Okay.
So I went to many Indian Bollywood film sets in London. That was
Okay.
the first time I interacted with people from the film industry. Many people, Akshay Kumar, Chichi Bhaiya, lots of people.
Okay.
So, and then I started assisting.
Okay.
And from assistantship, I stared auditioning.
So you became an assistant director before
First.
an actor.
Yes,
Okay.
yes. I became a runner. I used to be a continuity, op supervisor, then an assistant director.
Okay.
Then I was an assistant choreographer,
Oh.
and then finally I started auditioning, and then I became an actor.
So basically, you wore multiple hats before becoming an actor.
Yeah, many.
So
I've learned about the film industry and the film scenario 360 degrees. It's
Wow.
not just the craft.
Okay.
It's everything from each department. I'm most keen about the photography and cinematography department. That's my favorite department.
okay.
And obviously, I love to be in front of the camera. But even if you ask me personally, which is your favorite department, that's the cinematography department, because I love how technically people shoot things,
Okay.
the techniques that they use, the different
Okay.
cameras they use.
Okay. So you will love cinematography more than your acting?
I love acting, but if you really ask me, what is your real passion? Like even on my sets, on my film sets where I
Okay.
shoot, I'm constantly doing BTS for people
Oh.
because I love it.
Wow.
I really love it. You know,
That's
I love to
amazing.
capture people. I love to capture the moments. But of course, I love to be an actor, and that's what I do.
Okay.
So that's obviously, you know, there's no denying that I love that a lot. I'm just telling you what else I also like.
That's amazing. See, generally, when you are in a field where your skill set is shown, like acting or music, something like that, you always follow your ancestors. Like your grandfather was a great musician, music director, so you'll have some passion towards that, and you start following that. But why did your passion change, probably, or didn't you have no interest in music?
No, I studied music.
Okay.
I studied one instrument. I studied music for many years. I just feel that the profession of like being an actor encompasses all of it. I think it takes into account all factors.
Yeah.
So I found it more enthralling to do an acting job rather than just focus on music direction or music. But I have a production house, Raizada
Okay.
Entertainments. We are launching a very big music video.
Okay.
So, and that music video has been thought of or conceptualized by me, and the music also, in terms of the way the rhythm is, that has been like given by me. So, I think wherever your origins are, they come out in your life.
Are you giving young guys like us opportunities to act in your music video?
Music video, though maybe not, but for films, definitely I would like to give new people a chance.
Oh, that's an amazing thing. So now, when it comes to films, where did your interest begin to be an actor? Basically, like in which point of your life?
Very long ago, I used to watch movie Mahal. There used to be a show that used to come on Doordarshan,
Okay,
black and white
I
songs.
used to watch Shaktiman. I think it's much behind.
So, but I used to watch that, and I used to like the music in the films.
Okay,
I used to like the way the old actresses used to perform.
Who's your favorite old actor?
I like Wahida Rehman ji. I love Sharmila ji, who I got a chance to meet at IFFI. I love Mala Sinha. I love
Okay.
Vajanti Mala, Madhubala. I
Okay.
really like all of these actresses, and I love the way they perform. They're so raw, so natural,
Yeah.
and a little done up. Like their hairstyles are a little exotic, but I find overall I find them to be, you know, true artists. Like even what's her name? Isha's mother, Hema
Rekha
Malini. No, Hema Malini.
Okay.
What a dancer!
Okay.
What a skill! She has a skill in dance which nobody does. So
Okay.
apart from being the dream girl, or apart from being that beautiful like looking doll, she's a phenomenal dancer.
Absolutely.
She has a dance quality which not many people have.
Are you an amazing dancer as well?
I've trained in dancing, you know,
Okay.
but that skill of mine has still not been explored.
Okay, so what dance form are you trained in?
Bharatanatyam is what I've been trained in.
I
And,
actually learned the very basics of Bharatanatyam when I was very small. I learned a little flute. Then I went to Bharatanatyam, and girls and guys were like, Bharatanatyam, guys?
no, but it's for both.
Yeah, it was
genders.
for both. But when we were in schooling, very small ages, there were only girls there. I was the guy who had a little interest somehow in Bharatanatyam. Yeah, that's a very...
all our Kathak teachers have also all been male.
Oh,
So I don't think there's a gender bias in dance. I mean, in dance, I think
yeah,
it's for everybody.
There should not be, according to me. Yeah.
No, I don't think there's any gender difference. For
Gender
dance.
difference. Okay, so now coming to acting, when you started, was there any actor at the initial stage you dreamt to work with?
Yeah, Ajay Devgan. He's always been my inspiration.
Okay.
He's always been my idol. He's one of the reasons I came into the film industry.
Okay.
And I've done most of my films in his production house or in his, network of people.
Okay.
So
Okay.
I've worked with Induji, who gave such a lovely film to Kajol and Ajay Devgan just before they got married. I've worked with Rohit Shetty, who Ajay Devgan has groomed. I've worked in a film which Kumar Mangatji has produced. So I've worked very closely with that group of people.
Okay. So what was the first film you were on screen, and any memories of that you want to share? The
My
best
first film, the one that I did, which came on the big screen, was a Bengali film.
Okay.
At that time, what's her name? Vidya Balan had just done Kahani,
Okay.
and that film was a super hit. And
Okay.
the Bob Biswas character was played by Mr. Mukherjee.
Okay.
And he was the person I wanted to act with. So that's why I signed my Bengali film. I
Okay.
got a chance to work with Shashwat Mukherjee.
Okay.
Great actor.
Okay.
And that was my first time that I saw myself on screen.
How's the experience? Are you from a theater sort of background before that?
I'm more of a dancer. Like
Okay.
I've done dance performances in theater shows,
Okay.
but I've not done acting in theater shows. I've not done theater, but I've been a dance performer and a singer. Like I've
Okay.
been more of a performer than
Okay.
I've been an actor.
No, the reason I asked you was I had done a theater for a very little time. So when I was in theaters, they were like, the way you act in theater is much different than what you act in films. So in the theater, your sound quality is much louder, but in the films, it's like
More
you have the
subtle.
retake and all that. So
No, I was a dance performer and a singer.
singer, yeah.
So I used that craft in my films.
So it worked positively for you.
I still feel it's not been explored, but yeah, I mean, what I was as a performer, I was much bigger than I am as an actor. As a performer, I used to perform in London, in America,
Okay.
in France, Europe, Germany. So I used to perform on
so
very big stages.
in India, you want some similar stage like that. Don't
I
you
mean,
think
it's
there
just
is-
that once you've done such wonderful shows all over the world, people dream of that. People go from
Yeah,
India
yeah.
to go abroad to do these shows.
Yeah,
I've
yeah.
done those shows and I've come back. So I've done
is like a
some,
reverse, yeah.
I've done some really incredible shows as a performer, as the main performer. So that kind of limelight I haven't received in India yet.
Okay, you will yet to receive it after this interview
Maybe,
for sure.
maybe. Like,
I think Niharika, when you are in India and when you start to work with young actors or artists, something like that, do you have a learning every single day?
yeah, for sure. I mean, what I've learned through casting directors, they've taught me how to be a much more subtle, nuanced, very methodical kind of an actor. What I've learned from technical DOPs is which angle of mine is better for the camera. My directors have told me at what rust to put into my characters. So I've learned a lot. I've done now 14, 15 films and each film has taught me something.
Okay, so I think you have done films in multiple languages.
Yeah.
What is the language you are yet to venture?
Kannada.
Kannada.
Kannada is one language that I'm still to do.
Okay.
I'd love to work with some great artists, especially Rishabh Shetty. I met him at
Okay.
at IFA this year, and I told him my desire to work with him. And
Wow, he would be happy seeing this interview. Yeah.
I really like his work. I like him as a person as well. I think he's really knowledgeable. Being a writer, director, producer, actor is not everybody's cup of tea.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
know, in our film industry, Farhan Akhtar managed to do all of
All the
those
things
put
together, yeah.
Rishabh Shetty managed to do all of them put together. Not everybody can do all of it put
Yes,
together.
yes.
So I like such multi-talented people. Who else have I not yet worked with? I haven't ventured in Tamil, Telugu also yet, but I've done Malayalam.
You have done Malayalam. So you have known Rishabh Shetty as an actor because of Kantara.
Yes.
I'm sure about that.
Yes.
So what other people are you a great fan of in the Kannada industry? Do you know
Well-
Rakshit Shetty, who did 777 Charlie, a film of a dog?
Oh, but phenomenal. Yes, I've seen the film and I really enjoyed the film. I've seen his work.
Huh.
So I would love to work with him. I don't know many.
Kicha Sudeep.
I met Sudeep and I think he's doing a wonderful film. There may be
Max.
a chance
Yeah.
for me to be in that movie. I've met him once and I
There
think...
may be a chance in the sense have you already acted and giving clue to the audience?
no,
that
I
there
won't
is a
say any more than that, but there is a possibility that
Oh, nice.
things
to-
might work out in that
Okay.
space.
Oh, that is amazing to hear. Okay. So finally, Niharika, it was absolutely amazing talking to you. So what do you want to tell to the Kannada audience right here?
I hope to do a lot of Kannada films with some great actors of your state. I love Karnataka and I love Bangalore, so I'd love to be on your big screen.
Oh, that's amazing. So to the Kannada audience, I'm going to teach her the last two lines of Kannada. So ellarigu namaskara.
Ellarigu namaskara.
Nanna hesaru
Nanna hesaru
Niharika Raizada.
Niharika Raida.
Finally, how was it conversing with Speak with Sushan?
Lovely, you're going to do very well and I wish you all the best.
Spontaneous.
Yes.
Do you want to pick one point of what went well in this interview for
You
you?
always speak such, critical truths. So I think that's going to take you very far.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Namaskara.
Namaskar.
Wish you all the very best for all your films also in the future. Hope you do a lot of good films and hope you give some young people like us opportunity to work in your film. Okay.
Done,
Thank
done.
you. See you.
Okay.
Okay, done. Thanks.
Thank you.